What's going on, everyone? Evan here. Hey, as solo operators, we're always trying to save time. One way I save time is blowing on my mowers. On my Cub Cadet Pro X660, I can actually put my backpack blower on and blow to save time. Well, that mower's in the shop right now, and I have this loaner. You can actually blow on that loaner too with this Stihl blower. Let's get it.
The Stihl BG 86 is quite the workhorse. It's gas powered, weighs almost 10 pounds, has a blowing force rated at 15, which is 444 cubic feet per minute, and has a sound pressure rating of 70. I like that this blower was made in America, has an anti-vibration system, doesn't really vibrate when you're using it, and has a throttle trigger lock so you can have it at the highest RPMs and you don't have to have your hand on the actual trigger while you're blowing. It's pretty cool. Here's some footage of blowing on my riding mower. This little hand blower packs a punch and can stand the test of time.
In conclusion, I am very pleased with the Stihl BG 86Z hand blower. Guys, this mower can stand the test of time and hang in there with an actual, more of a backpack commercial blower. Even when I've had to get off the mower and blow with this thing, it's fine. It's able to hang in there. Haven't gone down on any time with it. So I picked this up, guys, just to have it kind of in your arsenal and a backup blower in case you need one. In the meantime, along with this and the rider, I'm saving time. See you guys.